Street rod time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Popular one too, 1940 Ford Deluxe Coupe. This is a steel body, glass fender and board car, FYI. Riding on centerline polished wheels, radial tires. That light pipe effect for the old street rod look. Small block Chevy powered 350 V8 underneath the hood. Nicely equipped, power steering, AC. AC blows cold. That is paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. We'll pop that hood here at the end of the video, start it up, let you hear it run, check it out. Nice looking engine bay. Take a look at that front grille, headlight surrounds, some bright work, custom bumper. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, you can see the underside, interior, see that engine bay. Take your time looking through the pics. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description is going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Paint does show well on this. I mean, you may find a few imperfections here and there, but overall, nice car for any local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Bucket seats up front, cloth interior. And we'll get around to the other side. Pop the driver's door, check out the interior a little closer. Does have door poppers. As you can see, the handles are shaved. There is a key fob that will pop those, or if the windows are down, you can reach in and pop them from the manual ones on the inside, of course. The trunk release is in the glove box. Push button trunk release. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Our rear bumper bar on it, as you can see, dual exhaust, a little wider center lines in the rear. We have good rich radials. Once again, still pictures. Take your time looking through the still pictures. Check them out, top to bottom, inside and out, engine bay, trunk. UniqueClassicCars.com. Gas fill back here, and this is just a push button. It'll pop that gas door. Speaking of push buttons, let's go ahead and pop this driver's door. All right, go ahead and check out this interior door panel. As you can see, there's the power window switches. Manual bucket seats. Do have adjustable backrest on them though, with this dial right here. Kind of a little jump seat or bench in the back. You can check that out in the still pictures. A little easier to see it there. Headliner intact, nice shape. Tilt column. Video gauges, I believe it was, yes. Pioneer aftermarket stereo AC controls down here. Wiper switch, and wipers do work. Those going earlier. Radio works fine. Let's fire it up. FYI, hood release right down here below that vent. You see my finger. I'll show you that when we get out. Radio, as you can see and hear, it's working. Close that or shut that down in a second. Look at the gauges. Nice sounding car. Tack working. Again, trunk release in the glove box. Let's go ahead and make sure we're in neutral. You also notice seat belts up front. All right, I'm going to leave that open a second because I want to pop that hood before we walk up to the front. Tell you a few things there too, but I want to let you hear it run first. It's a nice sounding car. A little bit of a cam to it. Nothing crazy on the exhaust side of things. All right, I'll pop this hood release. Now, something I want to mention before we open the hood, and it's a little louder. The technician went through this vehicle in the near future sometime. He did notice intake gasket does have leak, does seep some, as well as the valve cover gasket. We have this in consignment. Owner said announce it, sell it the way that it is, and price it accordingly. So just give me the heads up on that. I want to let you know about it. And I'm going to pause this. Let's pop the hood, check out that engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here we go with the hood prop up. Again, 350 small block Chev paired up with that 4-speed manual transmission. HEI ignition, Edelbrock intake and carb, power steering, AC does blow cold, electric puller fan, help out with cooling, a nice tidy clean engine bay. Aluminum heads. And then what the tech mentioned, going to need some attention in the future. Intake gasket, valve cover gasket. Some nice chrome dress up with the air cleaner cover, valve cover chromed out, as well as that alternator. Nice looking rod, 1940 Ford Deluxe. Good looking coupe. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.